And who was making the decisions not to go in, not to respond?
That would be, from my perspective, it appeared that it was up-channel beyond the Department of Defense, somewhere outside of DOD. We respond to civilian leadership, and that's what we would be looking for, civilian leadership.
So normally, those kinds of decisions would be made after the military conferred with civilian leadership in Washington.
Yes, sir. Now we're into my boss's business, but indeed, that would be who he would be talking with.
Okay. And that would be the normal chain of discussion.
Yes.
Okay. Did you assume that those discussions were going on? Those discussions between the military chain of command, the State Department, the Defense Department, and the White House?
Absolutely. And the reason I can state it emphatically is because part of what we did as an intelligence organization, and all intelligence organizations, you're looking for what's the next step, so you can ferret out the next best pieces of information and fact to help inform so that those operations can be effective.
In your military experience, what would have been a more normal response in the middle of the night, 3 a.m. Stuttgart time, when you knew you had an ambassador down, and later in the night you knew you had personnel on the CIA annex roof, and there was an exchange of fire? What would you have expected in your military experience to happen?
Go, go, go.
And when did it become apparent to you there would be no go?
As the morning progressed, and we had some people moving, at some points in time, they're asked to stop midway through some of their deployments, reaching Europe, et cetera, or other locations. It did not appear to us that there was any momentum behind it.